Hey everyone, today we are diving into this elegant tabletop terrarium planter. Perfect for adding a touch of nature to your space. Let's see what makes it special. Features: the glass is crystal clear, allowing you to see the roots grow, which is perfect for plant lovers. The wooden frame feels sturdy and it's easy to assemble. Just add water, pop in your plant cuttings, and let nature do the rest. It's great for propagating pothos, ivy, and other water-loving plants. Pros and cons: it's aesthetically pleasing, easy to set up, and makes for a great gift. A minor downside: it's delicate, so handle with care. Overall, this terrarium planter is a fantastic addition to any home or office. If you are into plant propagation or just love modern decor, this is worthy checking out.